Ancient legends speak of a hidden power. The true foundation of life. Deep within the depths of every cell lies the secret of creation. These are the sacred scrolls of life. These are not just paper, they are the destiny of any living being. Every scroll is filled with immense knowledge, a blueprint to build an entire being. In our story, these are your chromosomes, and hidden within them are thousands of symbols and instructions, which we call your genes. To awaken this power and give life, a master is needed. Meet Replication Sensei, the most skilled and precise ninja of the cellular dojo. His mission to copy these sacred scrolls exactly, to give birth to a new life, a magnificent shadow dragon. Replication Sensei's technique is unmatched. To create a new dragon, he must copy all 46 blueprints perfectly. That means billions of symbols without a single mistake. Then, the 92 copies separate, and every new dragon gets its own full set of 46. This is what we call cell division. But trouble can strike even in safest dojo. At that very moment, a spear of energy from the cosmos, a cosmic ray, breaks into the dojo. It crashes straight into Replication Sensei, right when he was protecting a very important scroll. The scroll containing the dragon's heart and mind, a crucial part of our chromosome 5, is completely destroyed. The sensei finished the copy in a panic, but the new scroll is now shorter than before. Brave warriors, this is called deletion. A dragon made from this incomplete map won't function properly. It's like trying to fly without wings. In humans, if this happens in chromosome 5, it causes redo chat syndrome, where babies cry like a cat. One missing piece and such a massive impact. Because of the previous error, Sensei has become extra cautious. While copying the chromosome 17, he became so obsessed with one section that he copied it twice. Now, the new scroll is bigger than necessary. This is called duplication. It's like installing two buttons for the dragon's fire breathing power, causing the power to go out of control. In human genetics, duplication on chromosome 17 can cause a disease like Charcot-Marie-Tooth, which badly affects the nerves, meaning having more can also be a mistake. Close one. Order is restored. Now, with a sudden jerk, a piece of chromosome 9 broke off. Sensei immediately reattached it, but in his haste, he attached it upside down. All the symbols are there, nothing is lost, but now they are in reverse order. This is called inversion. The dragon might look fine, but passing this power to the next generation could cause heavy trouble. This is the most difficult moment for the sensei. He holds two essential scrolls, chromosome 9 and chromosome 22. But in a final attack, both scrolls get torn. In an attempt to save the information, Sensei accidentally pasted a piece of one onto the other. Now there is a chaos in the dojo. The symbols are there, but they are in the wrong place. This is called translocation. It's like swapping pages between two different books. All instructions have gone haywire. In humans, such a swap between chromosome 9 and 22 is called the Philadelphia chromosome, and it causes blood cancer, leukemia, a tiny swap, and such a deadly result. Sensei's mission is complete, a new Shadow Dragon is created, but the scars of these mistakes will remain in its soul forever. And friends, that is the story of chromosomal structural mutations. These are not intentional evils, but unwanted mistakes in this ancient art of life creation. These scars tell us how much precision exists in our cells and how a tiny slip can change an entire destiny.